Turnbull Crossings is a community that we're building. We're building 25 giant homes out here on 1-acre lots. Now, I've done quite a few homes in this area. I've been doing things of this nature since I was about 8 years old. I'm the superintendent for Hammock Home Builders. I facilitate with the construction from basically the ground to the shingles to the inside to everything. I am on hands every day. Impact-resistant doors and windows are important in Florida because of the hurricanes. We can get up to 100-mile-per-hour gusts out here during hurricane season. They're common in this area, particularly being so close to the ocean. It's a matter of safety having something as important as that. I mean, what stands out about PGT is just, it's quality. It's quality, it's consistency, it's reliability. They are not late, they're right on time. Anybody in this industry will tell you is worth its weight in gold. It's just a nice product and you can rely on it. They're right in line with our values and our mission. They help us get our job done. With Hammock Home Builders out here, our goal is to build the highest quality house that we possibly can, and for that we need the best installers and the best vendors, and PGT is the best bet on the block around here. Biggest benefit of all with anything custom out here, particularly with the windows, is we get to be creative. In 2022, we won the Parade of Homes with one of our homes out here. A beautiful design called the Turnbull. The most stunning thing about it is just the front elevation of it. Windows, beautiful black vinyl everywhere, everything's seamless. And it has giant sliders, much like this, throughout the back of the house. And every time we showed that house, we opened up all the sliders to the back pool with the waterfall, and it was just one of the key factors everybody asked. Who does your pool? Who does your windows? Where are your cabinets from? And everybody just keep coming back to the windows as they walk through the house. Oh, look how much natural light is in this one. Half of this room is windows in this one bedroom. PGT just completely met our needs. Custom's the way to go because you can really stand out. That main entrance, that's the first shot you got on making an impression. Almost all of our clients always say, wow, look at all these windows, look at all the natural light, look how pretty, look how wonderful. It's very important. You'd like a good flow and feng shui to a house. You have to think about the positioning of your windows, the way you'd like your ambiance and the natural light to come in, what window dressings and what kind of custom little things that you would like. If I owned this house, I would probably only sleep in this house. I would live outside on the lanai. We've got the summer kitchen and TV, table and pool, and being an outdoorsy person, I would just basically live out there. Just having that access indoor, outside, say all year round, but particularly in the cooler months where it's blissful. It makes your home breathe, it makes the home feel bigger. It's a really nice feeling having that option. Going with an upper end, upscale window, durable, reliable, I would highly recommend it to anybody. Especially doing remodels around here, say beachside. These older windows, it's just plate glass, a lot of these old 50 to 100-year-old homes. One benefit with PGT is their turnaround time seems to be pretty good. So you order these and you're not waiting 6 months like if you went to another store, I'd say. So when we have PGT, if I do have a problem, everybody I've had to call has come out here, given me a business card with a phone number on it, and said if you have any more problems, call me directly. And that's been the case since I've been here. The chance to put in and protect yourself and your family impact glass, I'd say that's absolutely beneficial in every way that you could possibly think.